Hey, how's it going? This is Bennett Watson. Thank you for joining me on this video. And I shot this video for those of you who have maybe just got started in network marketing, or you've been in the business a while and you're struggling to make any kind of income. I want to show you how to make upfront money with your MLM business by selling your MLM products. So let's get started. So you're probably thinking to yourself, if my product's so great, why aren't I selling it? Well, the biggest reason, and the number one reason, is that your upline is focused, or having you focus on recruiting versus selling your products. And a lot of network marketing businesses have a lot of great products, but the thing is, the training in these network marketing businesses really focused on recruiting and signing people up into your business. And majority of people do not want to join a network marketing business. The majority of people would rather use your product because it has some kind of health benefit, or maybe it's a service that would benefit them. Most likely, people are more interested in that versus joining a network marketing business. And you can also use that route to recruit people, because if people get on the product and they love it and they could see a way to make money with it, they're like, yeah, this works for me. So I know a lot of people that have gone that route, is using the products to recruit people into the business, and it works great because people build a trust with the business, because it's hard to sell something that you haven't personally used, and it's kind of hard to get people recruited into a business they've never heard of and have never tried a product. So that's a good route to go, is if you want to recruit people in a business, is to get them on the products first, get them familiar with it, and really show them the benefits of your product. So how do you make money in your MLM without recruiting anyone? It's like I said, by selling your MLM products. Because a lot of these companies have a lot of great products that a lot of people don't know about, because people are more focused on recruiting versus getting people on the products. And you can make money up front in your business, and it can give you enough cushion while you're building and recruiting people into your business. And I really think it's a good route to push your products up front versus recruiting, because not everybody's going to join your business. But the people that take the products, you have a higher percentage of joining your network marketing business. So I want to tell you how that I made money up front in my network marketing business. Was exactly this, was by promoting the products versus trying to recruit. Because in the beginning, I was very focused on recruiting people into my business, and I failed miserably with that, because I was more focused on recruiting, and I missed a lot of opportunities. And one in particular, I missed an opportunity with a gentleman. He didn't really want to just go out and recruit people. He wanted to sell the products, and I was adamant, like, no, we have to recruit people into the business. We have to recruit. That's all we do. We got to recruit. Forget selling the products. And I lost out on a pretty good prospect by having that mindset. So you want to have an open mind, and you want to use your products up front to make money and eventually recruit people into your business by showing them the benefits of your products. So, listening to different audios, I can't think of the woman's name as of now, but if I remember, I'll shoot a video on it. My upline had given me the CD set, and this woman taught network marketers how to make a lot of money just selling products, and it really resonated with me because it made sense. And I realized I was going about network marketing the wrong way by just focusing on recruiting people. And if I think of the name, I'll shoot a video on it, and hopefully some of her audios are still out there, but it was really great stuff, and I would recommend it once I get the name of it. But I want to give you some tips for selling your products. Now, I know a lot of network marketing businesses have a ton of different products that you can sell. So that's a big mistake, is people try to sell too many things at once. What you want to do, you want to pick one product, and you want to stick with selling that. You want to learn that product in and out and become an expert on it. And when I was in my network marketing business, how I made money up front was with the energy drink that we had. Because I love energy drinks. You know, I'm always outdoors. I snowboard. I like to hike. I like to surf. I love to be outdoors, so I'm always drinking energy drinks. But once I started doing research, and once my network marketing company had revealed the energy drink, they really opened your eyes to the adverse health effects of the energy drinks on the market. Red Bull and Monster and ones like that, they're really bad for you. And it really woke me up, and I stopped drinking those particular energy drinks because of the content inside of the energy drinks. Ton of sugar, ton of chemicals, preservatives, and things that really aren't anybody should consume. But once they came out with their particular energy drink, I saw a niche there, because a lot of people my age and even younger than me, people love energy drinks. And I really started educating people on the health benefits of our energy drink over the ones on the market. Because ours didn't have any kind of chemicals, it didn't have any sugar, it didn't have anything that would harm your body, and it actually had natural ingredients for energy. So I really focused on that, and I sold that through people that I worked with. And I sold a lot of products at work because people would see me with this particular energy drink. And when you're out doing this not routine but strategy, you always want to be displaying your product. Especially if it's an energy drink, that's really easy, because if it's something unique that nobody's ever seen before, people are going to be interested, and they will come up to you and ask you, and they'll be like, "What is that? I've never seen that before." And then it's a free sale right there. Just use your products, use them up front. I always have promotional items on you, like flyers or pamphlets, things to explain the product benefits. You always want to have that with you. You always want to have that in your arsenal. You always want to be ready for the chance to get a new customer. And I know that I was focused on one product, but if I was talking to somebody, most people will talk about themselves to complete strangers. And I was always listening to people. Like if they told me they had some kind of particular health problem or issue, I would tell them about a particular product that I sold that could help them with that. And they are always very open to learning about that product if it could help them. Because you always want to be listening to people. That's a great way to sell any product or service. You always want to be listening to people. Then you'd be like, "Hey, I've been taking this product because I had the same kind of health issue, or I knew somebody that had the same health issue, and this particular product really helped them." So you always want to be listening to your prospect when you're out and about. Talk to people and really focus on them, and because the point of these network marketing businesses and selling these products is to help people. I know it's to make money, but your primary focus should be on helping people. And you can definitely do that by focusing on selling your products. So guys, that's all I have for today. But I thought I'd share with you some tips on how to make money up front for your network marketing business, and some tips on how to really do things a little different than you've been taught, because I've seen great results doing this myself by promoting the products. So I thought I'd share it with you. Guys, if you're looking for ways to sell your products online through video marketing, I've got a free YouTube video training in the link below in the description, and it's going to tell you exactly how to sell any product or any service using YouTube. Guys, I appreciate it, and hit that subscribe button because I've got more videos coming your way.